Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another tutorial whether how you can delete apps from your cell phone permanently. Well, it is thought that an app you uninstall from your cell phone doesn't delete permanently. Some of its files remain in the background that keeps affecting your device in some way. So let's uninstall these apps. To uninstall them, tap and hold to an app for 2-3 seconds until its menu show up. Here, instead of removing it, click on Uninstall to delete it. And then confirm it by clicking on OK. And here you can see that the app has just been deleted. Now, apparently, it seems that it's been deleted entirely. But when you go to your profile using Play Store, and go to Manage Apps and Device, and then go to Manage, and click on this device drop down, it gives you options named Not Installed. Click on it and it will give you a list of all the apps you have deleted from your device, including the ones you just deleted. Somehow they are still attached to your account. So to delete them permanently, select them and click on Delete, and then click on Remove. Now the apps have just been deleted permanently, and this is how you can delete apps from your cell phone permanently. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.